easy early retirement calculations from Money Master the Game. In this video, we'll go over how Tony Robbins, in his book Money Master the Game, shows us an easy way to calculate how much money we'll need in retirement. We'll also discuss the difference between financial security and financial freedom. Welcome to Joseph Leppert Finance, the channel where you can learn all about personal finance, investing, and wealth building. Do you want to learn how to make your money work for you? Then you're in the right place. I've spent years studying finance and I'm here to share everything I've learned with you. So, if you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button for more types of videos like these and ring the notification bell so you won't miss one. Let's get right into the video. In the book Money Master the Game, Tony Robbins interviewed 50 of the brightest minds in the world of finance, and we might actually get a good answer from this book. You see, there are 3 levels of retirement or financial freedom. The first is financial security. This is where you are able to cover all of your living expenses without ever having to work again. Think about how much money you need every month right now to cover your basic living expenses. This number is important because later in this video, we're going to calculate how to achieve the first level of freedom. But for the sake of this video, let's say that your basic living expenses cost you around $40,000 per year. Next is financial freedom. This is when your current lifestyle is fully paid for, not just living expenses. This includes any hobbies, vacations, or fun experiences that you normally have. For this video, let's say that this number is $65,000 per year. Lastly, there is complete financial freedom. This is having your lifestyle fully paid for and then some. This will allow you not only to support your lifestyle, but continue growing your wealth and as a result, your lifestyle. Let's say that this number is $90,000 per year. Now that we have these numbers, let's move on how to achieve these financial goals. Here is where we enter the accumulation phase. Imagine your financial journey as climbing a big snow mountain. You will have to do the work and put lots of effort into climbing this mountain. But once you reach the top, your work is done, and now you can slide and enjoy your financial freedom. What we need to do in order to get there is to figure out how high the top of the mountain is. This is your accumulation goal, the amount of money we need for us to be financially free the rest of our lives. In the book, Tony has a great formula to calculate how much money you need to accumulate in order for you to retire and not have to worry about running out of money. First, let's get started with financial security. To have our living expenses paid for virtually as long as we live, we take our monthly living expenses that we thought of earlier, multiply them by 12 so you can get your yearly expenses. Then you multiply this number by 20. Using our previous example, we had a living cost of $40,000 per year. This means that if you multiply 40,000 times 20, we get our accumulation target. To achieve financial security, we have a target of $800,000. For financial freedom, we have our cost of $65,000 per year multiplied by 20. We get $1.3 million as our target for financial freedom. And for our complete financial freedom, we multiply our $90,000 per year by 20 and we get our target of $1.8 million. But before we move on, please comment below if you can relate to the video. And if you find this video helpful and interesting, please consider liking the video and share it to your loved ones and friends. Back to the video. But hold on. We probably want to be retired more than 20 years if we can, and we have to take into account inflation. This target number is the only first part of the equation. In the accumulation phase, we don't have to just use our money to get our target. If we start investing, we don't have to save. However, just because we don't have to save for everything doesn't mean we shouldn't save at all. It's still important to save for emergencies, unexpected expenses, and future goals. Emergencies can happen at any time, such as job loss, medical bills, or car repairs. Having an emergency fund can provide a cushion to help prevent the need to rely on credit cards or loans, which can lead to debt and high interest payments. Additionally, saving for future goals, such as retirement or a down payment on a home, can help ensure financial stability and security in the long term. By setting aside a portion of our income regularly, we can work towards achieving these goals and provide ourselves with more options and opportunities in the future. Ultimately, the decision to save and how much to save will depend on individual circumstances and priorities. However, it's important to remember that saving doesn't have to be an all-or-nothing approach, and even small amounts can add up over time. One way to do this is to use the power of compounding interest. This means reinvesting any interest or dividends earned onto your investments back into the portfolio, rather than taking them as income. Over time, this can significantly increase the value of your portfolio and help you reach your goals even faster. However, as you approach retirement and enter the accumulation phase, it's important to shift your investment strategy to one that is more conservative. aggressive. This means reducing your exposure to riskier assets like stocks and increasing your holdings of more stable investments like bonds and cash. This is because in the decumulation phase, your main goal is to preserve your capital and generate a steady income stream to support your lifestyle. While a more aggressive investment strategy may help you accumulate wealth faster, it's now time to focus on stability and security. That being said, it's important to remember that no investment strategy is foolproof. There will always be risks involved, and it's important to have a plan in place for dealing with market volatility and other unexpected events. One way to do this is to maintain a diversified investment portfolio. By spreading your investment across different asset classes and geographies, you can reduce your overall risk and increase your chances of success. Another key consideration when planning for retirement is inflation. Over time, the cost of living will inevitably increase, eroding the purchasing power of your savings. To combat this, it's important to adjust your investment returns for inflation and to have a plan in place of dealing with rising costs. In conclusion, while retirement planning can seem daunting, there are steps you can take to ensure a financially secure future. By setting clear goals, developing a sound investment strategy, and staying disciplined over a long term, you can achieve the financial freedom you deserve. Reaching the top is not an easy feat. It requires a lot of hard work, dedication, and persistence. However, it is also important to recognize that success is not a one-size-fits-all concept and that everyone's definition of success may be different. While Tony's advice to stay at the top may be applicable for some, it is important to remember that success is not solely defined by one's position or status in life. Ultimately, it is up to each individual to determine what success means to them and to strive toward achieving their own personal goals and aspirations. Whether it's reaching the top of a career ladder or finding fulfillment in other areas of life, success is a journey that requires effort, patience, and a willingness to learn and grow along the way. Thank you for watching Joseph Leopard Finance, your go-to channel for all things personal finance, investing, and wealth building. I hope you found value in today's video and that it inspires you to take action toward your financial goals. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like these. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Join our community by leaving a comment below and let us know what financial topics you'd like us to cover next. Remember, financial freedom is possible for anyone, and we're here to help and make it happen. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.